What's up guys, today we are going to see how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 if you are running an unsupported hardware. The laptop which I'm currently using, it's an unsupported hardware, but I've installed Windows 11. So let's see the procedure how you can do the same. Launch your browser and type in the keyword download Windows 11. Open the first link which you see. Scroll down to the section where it says create Windows 11 installation media. Download this tool. Once this has been downloaded, you need to launch this tool. It will look like this. Click on accept. Once this is accepted, just use the default options or choose the language which you want for your PC. Then click on next. You need to click the option ISO file because we are downloading the ISO file. Then click next. Give the path where you want to save it. I'll just simply say Windows 11. Now this will download the ISO file. Once this is downloaded, you need to perform the same steps for Windows 10. Now again go back to your browser and search for the keyword download Windows 10. We'd say the similar page, then download this tool again. This is for Windows 10. Perform the same steps and download the ISO image for this as well. Once this has been done, you would have two ISO files like this, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now you need to extract the contents of them. So let's extract. Right click on it. Then if you're using 7-zip, it's much easier. Simply click to extract Windows 11. Same for Windows 10. Once you have extracted both the files, now you need to replace the install.esd file which is in the Windows 10 with the Windows 11 ESD file. So how you can do is go to Windows 10 folder which you have extracted after downloading the ISO file. Go to the sources folder. Here you would find a file called install.esd. Delete this file. This is under Windows 10. Delete it. Come back to the Windows 11 folder. Find the same file under the sources folder, install.esd. You need to copy this file, go back to the Windows 10 from where you have deleted the older ESD file, paste it here. Once this is done, your Windows 11 installation media is ready to use, and then you would be able to install Windows 11. So let it complete and then we'll see. This is done. Once you have replaced the files, your installation media is ready to use. Launch the setup.exe. Here it says install Windows 10. Just ignore it because it will install Windows 11 because we have already replaced the ESD file. So don't worry about it. Click on this option and click now right now because we don't want to install the updates right away. Then click next. It'll just take few seconds. Then accept the license. Because I've already installed Windows 11, so I am seeing a bit different options, but you would see something like this screen here where it says install Windows 11 Pro and key person files and apps. You don't need to do anything here. Simply click on install. It will not delete your files and softwares, but it's always a good idea to keep a backup of your critical files. So once you have done so, click on install and installation will begin and it will install Windows 11. This screen would come next and then this would be next. This would take around an hour to install the Windows 11, and once this is completed you would see Windows 11 on your PC. And so this is it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I would respond back to you guys. Thank you.